Alright, hey there, it's Ted from Ted Lincoln's Fishing Life. Out here enjoying a nice, what is this, June? June, right? Mm-hmm. Yeah, June day. So this is the bite review for May, which is late because I tried to record this once before and it was too windy, so it didn't come out. So here I am again, trying to record it. We're going to start with bite number 10. This was a day out on a lake, little pond actually on my roundabout, and I was throwing a chatterbait, which I don't normally throw, but I'm starting to warm up to it. And I catch this bass. It's a good one. It's about a 6-pounder, and not only was it a nice bass, but it had another bass in its throat. You can check it out. I'll actually add some better photos of the bass in his throat. You can see the tail. Here it is, bite number 10. Check it out. I got one. I got a big one. Good one. Oh yeah, so yeah, that was crazy. The bass eating another bass. It's a good one though that I caught, about 6-pounders. I guess technically you say he was a 5-pounder with a 1-pounder inside of him. The next one, hollow-bodied sunfish by Live Target. Not a lot of people throw this bait anymore, but man, when they want it, they want it. This is up by a dock, shallow water. Pretty much, the video speaks for itself. Here it is, bite number 11, hollow-bodied frog. Hollow-bodied sunfish. There we go. That's what I've been looking for. Yeah, that was about a 5-pounder, a little over, 5.2 or something like that. All right, here's bite number 12 from May. This is, again, another frog. One of the local lakes that's considered super tough. It's one of the closest lakes to the town, Noonan's Lake, here in Gainesville, Florida. I was out with my friend Amy, throwing the Strike King pad, what is it, the Hack Attack Pad Perch by Greg Hackney. Yeah, check it out. This is a great bite. Ooh. That's a good bass. Oh my God, that's a big bass.
Oh my God. What do I do?
Stay there.
Okay.
What
size is that?
6-ish. So yeah, another frog bite, amazing one. Number 13, we go back to the same pond with the same chatterbait, and this fish right here is the reason now that I own a bunch of chatterbaits and even have a chatterbait rod and I'm a convert, all because of this one fish. Here it is, a giant bass on a Z-Man original chatterbait with a gambler little easy swimmer with the paddle tail cut off. Check it out. Oh my God. Woo! Ha ha! Yeah, 9.4 pounds on a chatterbait. That'll convert almost anybody. That is the second biggest bass of 2020 so far for me. It's the only one I got on video. I caught a bigger one on a frog, but my camera was giving me problems that day. It's like windy now. Like literally just started as soon as that boat went by. All right, so it's a little windy. Hopefully you'll be able to hear me over the wind. Here's bite number 14. This is my glide bait bite on the G-Rat Sneaky Pete. I actually have a whole video on my site or on my channel already about fishing, learning to fish the glide bait here in Gainesville or here in Florida, and specifically the Sneaky Pete. Here it is. Check out the Sneaky Pete bass on Rainbow River with my friend Jenny in the boat with me. Here you go. Messages I got. Oh, we exchanged. Yeah. Oh, there, look at that on the big bait.
My God.
He just smashed it. I watched him do it. That's awesome.
Ted. Enormous.
That's like a 3-pounder.
Okay, I'm gonna take a picture of you.
All right, hopefully the wind isn't too bad. Here's bite number 15, the Booyah Pad Crasher, or actually the Toad Runner. It's a frog I had in my box for a year, never tried it. Picked it up this day, and first cast I caught this 6.2-pound bass. Needless to say, I keep it readily available these days. Check it out, bite number 15. There we go. We got frogs, we got wind, we got boats. I don't know if you can hear me or not, but here it is, bite number 16. This is the pencil hawker from Dual Realis, the little one, the 85, I believe. Out on Rainbow River again, same place as the glide bait. This time with my friend Amy, and I get this nice 6-pounder, but it was sight fishing. I tried maybe 5 different topwaters to get this bass to bite. There you go, bite number 16. Look at, that's all of the big, there we go.
Nice, Ted.
There's, look at that.
Yeah. I see it. That's amazing.
Just had to change the color.
Wow, he's big.
Hooked in the side of the mouth too.
I knew you were going to catch a big fish. How big is it, do you think?
He's not as big as the one I...
Yeah. Pregnant. He's full.
Here's bite number 17, back to my favorite pad crasher by Buzzbait and Old Smoky. Straight up fishing this lake up in Lake City. Staying with a friend up there. She lives right on this lake. And it is frog heaven, but this particular spot just looked like there should be a bass there. And as you can see, just where he should have been, this 5-pounder comes out and smashes Old Smoky. Check it out. Bite number 17. That's a good one. Alright, bite number 18 for May. Here we go. Back on Rainbow River. This time with my friend visiting from Japan. She wanted to go somewhere nice. She was here. Took her to Rainbow River. This time I was pitching a little finesse jig. The Booyah, what is it? The Baby Biddy? I forget exactly what it's called. But here's me and my friend Kelsey on Rainbow River catching a nice 4 or 5-pounder on a finesse jig. Sight fishing again. It's awesome. You can see all the bass looking at my bait right before it bites. Got one. Good one.
Oh, it's massive.
I saw him eat it.
You got him. He's pissed. Look how angry he is. Oh,
I'm sorry.
maybe you're good again. Look how mad you are. No, it's so big.
This is a good one.
Oh my, wait. Oh my goodness. He is massive. Look how big you are.
Here's bite number 19. Me, early morning, Ocklawaha River, throwing the trash panda, 13 fishing. This is my 4th cast of the day, first cast with the frog. As you can see, this guy wanted it. He even ran up onto the cover. Check it out. Bite number 19. That didn't take. That didn't take very long. Look at that. There we go. Last one for May was bite number 20 out on the lake with good old sawgrass bassin, Captain Mikey. And decided to pick up this buzzbait. It's actually a buzzbait I kind of modified. Coming out with a buzzbait neck soon. Here it is. Greenfish buzzbait. Yeah.
That's that same fish.
Yeah. He came all the way over.
Oh, that's a nice one.
Yeah.
Another 5 at least.
I couldn't remember exactly where he was over there. So just kind of throwing.
Dude, it was a good fish. Alright,
Yeah.
see if we can bring him over here.
I can get him. There he is. That's a good one.
Yeah, he's a little bit smaller than mine.
Yeah. But picture worthy.
Oh, absolutely.
Look at that. That's like a. There you have it. Bike videos for May. It's a little late. Might be a little windy to hear some of this. But better late than never. Hope you liked all those videos. June's been good. That review will be up probably in a couple weeks. Until then, Ted from